అందరికీ హరి ఓం ప్రణామాలు. చిన్మయ మిషన్ సంస్థ గురుదేవులు చిన్మయానంద స్వామి వారి అడుగుజాడల్లో నడుస్తూ వృద్ధులకు, యువకులకు మరియు పిల్లలకు ఎన్నో అద్భుతమైన కార్యక్రమాలు నిర్వహిస్తుంది. ఇందులో భాగంగా పిల్లలకు బాలవిహార్ తరగతులు నడుపుతూ వాళ్ళని సమాజానికి ఎంతో ఉపయోగపడేలా మన సనాతన ధర్మానికి స్తంభాల్లా తీర్చిదిద్దాలని ఎంతో శ్రమిస్తుంది. ఇలాంటి మంచి కార్యక్రమంలో మీరు భాగస్వాములు కావాలనుకుంటే మీరు చెయ్యవలసినదల్లా ఒకటే ఒకటి, మీరు చిన్మయ మిషన్ బాలవిహార్ సేవక్ ట్రైనింగ్ క్యాంప్లో రిజిస్ట్రేషన్ చేసుకోవడమే. సెప్టెంబర్ 13వ తారీఖు నుండి 24వ తారీఖు వరకు కేవలం 1 గంట, సాయంత్రం 7:30 నుంచి 8:30 వరకు మా కోసం మీరు కేటాయిస్తే మీ పిల్లలనే కాక మీ చుట్టూ ఉన్న పిల్లలని కూడా ఎలా ఉన్నతంగా తీర్చిదిద్దవచ్చు అనే కొత్త కొత్త ఆలోచనలతో చిన్మయ మిషన్ ముంబై వారి బృందం మనకు తెలుగులో ఆన్లైన్ శిక్షణ ఇవ్వబోతుంది. వయస్సు పరిమితి 25 ఏళ్ల నుండి 50 ఏళ్లలోపు ఉన్నవాళ్ళు. ఈ మహత్తరమైన కార్యక్రమంలో మీరు పాల్గొని భావితర పిల్లలకు బంగారు భవిష్యత్తు ఇవ్వడానికి చెయ్యి కలుపుతారని ఎంతో ఆసక్తిగా ఎదురుచూస్తున్నాం. దీనికి ఎలాంటి రుసుము లేదు, అంతా ఉచితం. గుర్తుంచుకోండి, మానవ సేవయే మాధవ సేవ. పై రిజిస్ట్రేషన్ కొరకు సంప్రదించాల్సిన నంబర్ 9390481359. మరొక్కసారి 9390481359 లేదా పూజారి విశ్వనాథ్ని కూడా సంప్రదించగలరు. హరి ఓం.
Hari Om, greetings and blessings to all of you. I am so happy that children as well as their parents who have encouraged them on this online Gita chanting competition have participated and given the treasure of the verses of the Bhagavad Gita to their children, who will remain with them for life. Even though right now they may not know the meaning of it, but it will give them the strength later on to know, inquire, and those firm principles, knowledge that is there in the Bhagavad Gita, and the mere chanting of it that gives them the sense of purity and faith and strength will go with them throughout their life to become strong, successful people facing whatever calamity and challenges that come their way, like a brave Arjuna with the knowledge of the Gita to fight even the mightiest battles, even the situations that have come to us in this life. As a follow-up of this Gita chanting, all the parents who have seen what their children have gained, Puja Gurudev Swami Chinmayananda was a great visionary. He introduced Bal Vihars, where children can not only know of their great heritage that they can be proud of, and only when we have got pride in our great grand heritage that we have that self-esteem and confidence, that bravery to act in the world. Bal Vihars, where they will get pride of their religion, their culture, and their knowledge systems, which so sadly has been denied to us from our education system. It is very important to educate our children in this great heritage, culture, knowledge. And as Swami Vivekananda said, education is not just to get marks. Marks you can get by cheating also, which should never be done, or by just rote learning. We should gain knowledge, and that knowledge that comes with developing values and virtues, that builds our character. Because no education system can give us all knowledge to face the multiple different situations that we will face and challenges we'll face in our life. But this spiritual knowledge that trains our mind, that helps us to master our mind so that we can be the master of all situations rather than the victim of circumstances. This learning and training is given in Bal Vihar. This must run in every city. Every child must be given the opportunity and privilege to develop this within themselves. So this is what Bal Vihar is. More than even we send them to academic schools, by which even surety of making a living is not there, is this knowledge that they will get in Bal Vihar, in Yuva Kendra, and all of you can get in the study groups that Chinmaya Mission organizes for your children, youth, and for you. Participate, send your children. The learnings that they will have, besides the chanting and the shlokas, the values and character development they will have, the why for what they should follow of obedience to their parents, fulfillment of their duties, to have love and compassion and the spirit of sharing. All this will go a long way if you, and to benefit not only your children, first and foremost you parents themselves having such value-based children, and the society. And these are people who will not only become successful, but will be positive contributors to the society, to the country. This is what our Pujya Gurudev's vision was through education in our Chinmaya Vidyalayas. These open schools and universities where your children, very often in the center nearby or even at your home, can get Bal Vihar sessions. I not only plead all of you to send your children to Bal Vihar, but encourage many parents to do so. And even that, if you have got knowledge and brought up your children very well, become a Bal Vihar Sevak or Sevika, so that we can help many parents to develop their children in a positive manner. See that we have got hundreds of the children who attended chanting. Inspire their friends to have Bal Vihar sessions in your town, in your city. And you're lucky where you have a brahmachari, a brahmacharni, a swami there to train, guide the children, as well as train all of you to train the children. This is the treasure, this is the asset, this is the heritage you can give to your children. Hari Om, and I invoke the blessings of Bhagwan, the great rishis, and our Gurudev Swami Chinmayananda on all of you. Hari Om.